Hi everyone. If you are having trouble finding the rubric, this is where you find it. I'm logged in as the demo student. If you go down to where it says assessments up here at the top, click assessments and you're going to want to look at rubrics. Once you get here, I have a couple of drafts, but the final e-portfolio, you're going to actually click on this down button and you're going to go to preview. Once you preview it, it should take you to the full rubric. And so you'll be able to see exactly what you'll be graded on. Thanks so much. There also may be some questions about grades. If you go into grades, you're only at this point going to see the demo students' grades. But you will, if there's anything that hasn't been graded that you think should have been graded, please send me a quick email message. There's some things that are written on here twice. And if that's the case and you have a grade for one of them, don't worry about it. We're trying to make the grade books match. Long story short, it should be up and running for next semester. But don't worry if something isn't graded. If it isn't graded, if I never got it, I would have put a 0 there. So if you have a 0 and you don't think you should have a 0, that's when you should let me know. Okay, thanks so much. Let me know if you have any questions.